What's up guys, Albert Dom back with another video, and in this video we're going to be talking about when to apply for your next Navy Federal credit card. Alright guys, let's get straight into it. So here are some data points to keep in mind before you guys apply for your next card. So you want to keep in mind you guys could only have 3 unsecured personal credit cards with them and no more than that. So you guys want to structure out and plan out which cards you go for before you apply for them. I usually recommend you guys go for the green cash rewards card first, which is this one. And then after that, go for the platinum card. So you would want to go for the second card, which is this one. This also has a really good APR, which is a lot better than like a lot of big banks. A lot of big banks is like 30% APR after the 0% runs out. That's why I think it's super important to have relationships with the credit unions and have credit union credit cards as well as the big bank cards. So this as the second card, and then as the third card, I recommend you guys go for the black flagship card after, which is this one. And then this one usually goes up to like a 25K limit. I think all of them do, but this one usually has the highest limit, or it's like the easiest to build up. So this is usually the hardest one to get approved for. So if you guys just got an account with Navy Federal, I recommend you guys slowly build up. Also depends on what you want. If you guys want like a card with a lot of rewards, maybe you guys go for this one, whatever applies to you. But yeah, definitely follow the order. That order I just gave you guys. Usually start with the green card, then you guys can go to the platinum, and then work your way up to the flagship. If you guys have amazing credit and you guys don't want those other cards, then you guys could just try and apply for this one right away. So you guys could also have 3 unsecured business cards with them as well. So if you guys already have 3 personal cards with them, I recommend you guys open up business checking account with them. They actually require that you have a business checking account with them before they let you apply for any business credit related products. So if you guys currently don't, open up a business checking account with them, and then you guys can get another 3 business cards with Navy Federal as well. Another thing to keep in mind, if you guys don't have a business at the moment, you guys don't even have to have a business to get approved for business credit cards. As long as you guys have a corporation, an LLC, or even if you want to apply as a sole proprietor, there's a lot of banks that will still approve you and give you business credit cards. So if that's what you're thinking, oh, I don't have a business, I'm not going to get approved for business credit cards, just know that you guys don't necessarily have to have a business that's bringing in income in order to get approved for business credit cards. I have a whole nother video that goes over this, so if you guys still haven't, I'll probably put that somewhere here. You guys can go and check out that video, and it'll show you how to get business credit cards without having a business. All right, so another thing you guys want to keep in mind is that they have the 91-3 rule, meaning you guys could only apply for cards in 91 days or 3 billing statements, whichever comes first. So you guys could only get a credit card with them. This only applies if you already have a credit card with them. So if this is your first card, then obviously you guys could just go in and apply. If this is like your second card, then obviously this rule is going to apply to you. For a personal or business card, also this is going to apply for a credit limit increase. So just keep that in mind as well. Another thing is, you guys could use their pre-qualify option on their website before you apply to avoid a hard inquiry and getting denied. So they have a pre-qualify option that's right here on the website. Where is it? Where is the pre-qualify option? Yeah, it's not. Oh, here it is. Okay, so you guys could use this option here. Pre-qualify me for a card before you guys apply. That will help you guys avoid the inquiry for no reason. And then, yeah, after you guys get approved, obviously you guys could always remove the inquiry and then go and get yourselves more funding. So, yeah, just these are the things you want to keep in mind when it comes to getting your next credit card with Navy Federal. Also, they have really good auto loans and a bunch of other products as well. So definitely look into their other products as well if you guys need that. Navy Federal overall is a really good credit union, one of the best. There is a lot of other really good ones. Some that are even better, some might say, depending on what you're looking for. But yeah, Navy Federal is really good for other stuff other than just credit cards as well. All right, guys, I hope that was a super helpful video. If you guys want to learn how to get 100K plus of 0% business funding and personal funding and just learn everything about credit A to Z, you guys can click the link below to book a call. Also, if you guys still haven't joined the school community, I recommend you guys join down below as well. All right, guys, I hope that was a super helpful video with a bunch of takeaways and data points that will help you guys get approved for your next Navy Federal credit card. I'll see you guys here in the next video.